Okay, before I tell you what today's class is about, the beautiful model, Violet, modeling for us, and the photographer for today, Paul. And today's topic, if I have to shoot outdoor with flash, what are the two things that I must do? Firstly, number one, two flashes. The first flash, I want to make sure that it is always the main light. So I'm going to talk about this later on. As you can tell that in all my tutorials, I always emphasize that the main light is the one that you set up the last. The first light you should set up is the light that is over there. And that's what I like to do, to have one light at the back behind the subject unattended. And when you have unattended light stand, the last thing you want to do is put a big modifier like this. The reason is when you have a huge modifier like this, when the wind comes and it's going to take your light stand with you. So what we have is a bracket to hold the flash, clamp it down, and then at the front is actually a Bowen's mount with a honeycomb. What I want you to help me is go over there, move that flash, rotate it clockwise. That's it. Good. All right? And then pose somewhere here. Yep, that's it. So that way I'm always getting the flash hitting the side of the hair, giving you an effect like this. And what Paul and I'm going to do, we're going to start one shot without the main light. You always want to make sure that you get the shot nice first. So I'm at ISO 200, manual exposure. I'm going with f8 because I want to bring out all the details of the building at the back. And a shutter speed of 1/200. If you look at the meter now, it's clocking one stop -1 on the exposure meter. And then without the main light, we take one shot. See, it's a little bit of a flash there. On the rim light, not good enough. I'm not happy with this. So that's not good enough. That's because I've got a trigger here that is -3, controlling that. So I'm going to go in here and control this so that the TTL over there is higher. So I'm going to bring this up to +2. Let's see how +2 looks like. Low angle. Make sure you don't capture the flash. All right, you're ready with the pose, and bam. Look at that now. That looks stunning. This is how the shot is supposed to look like. And only then we set up this flash. Come over here, turn on this flash. Make sure that you're on radio trigger on your Godox flash and it's ETTL. If you want to learn more how you can shoot outdoor and not worry about the power when you're shooting manual exposure, turn this both flash to ETTL. And in this case, this is going to be channel 2 slave A. So there are two things you need to worry about. Number one, you got to make sure that the channel is the same. So channel 2 here, channel 2 here, channel 2 there. And then this works the same for almost every transmitter and receiver. Come here and I'm going to use a power of just +1. And let's see how that works out. I'm going to raise the flash and the light stand to be higher than Violet, because we want the light to go down. Aim this at Violet's face. I'm going to have it this side so that it doesn't make the rim light overexposed. Setting is the same, ISO 200, f9, and shutter speed 200. And that's how you get a stunning shot like this. Look at this. So if you think that she looks a bit too bright, well, this is where you can bring down the backlight a little bit more, the rim light. So I'm going to come back down to B. Some of you don't like the effect of the rim light too much. Me, I kind of like it. If you're going to add flash, make sure it's observable. So I'm going to bring this down to +1, +1. Right, let's do a stunning pose. You can change your pose a little bit. Right, that's good. Focus. Impressive. If you enjoyed this video, then do two things. Number one, subscribe to this channel because every week we post videos that will teach you how to improve on photography. Number two, support my e-learning website right here. And by doing so, check out the premium courses and the all access, and you're going to get amazing content that will immediately make you shoot nicer and faster. See you in the next episode.